Hello and welcome back to our new video. In this video I'll show you how to download and install VSCO app. For that you need to go and open your app store and tap on your source button to open your keyboard. There you need to type VSCO and tap on source button, and this is our VSCO photo editor app. Just tap on get button and it will prompt you to double click on your power button and it will scan your face ID, and after that in few seconds or minutes depending upon your network connection it will start to download this app. And once downloaded you will see open button in this area, and it might take few seconds or minutes depending upon your network and also the size of this app. This app is not that big in size, but I guess my network is slow so it's taking a lot of time. So I'll just tell you how it looks like once it is downloaded. You will see open button in this area once it is downloaded and ready to use, and also go to your home page and you will see complete icon of this app, not this type of, you'll see full icon like this, and that is how you can know if this app is downloaded or not. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.